Okay guys, that's my father whirlpool fridge. As you can see here, I got my eye cool them ready guys. Normally guys, it's not me alone drink it, my father drinks them as well, but he buy them because my mom gave him money. There's the bottom part of it. There's my egg and my meat. This is it guys. This is my milk. My little box milk. 100% milk. It look like it says surge milk. Yes guys, surge milk. And that's it guys, how big the fridge is. And this is the box. What the fan come into guys, see here is a Master Tech fan guys. That's my PC case box here to put it back into when we are moving from around here guys. This is my surge protector box. You have 6 outlets, money 440 dualis. Look like a channel then. A 2.5 power card. You have 50,000 equipment protection policy. That means it can angle about 50,000 watt guys. That's how good it is. And lifetime product warranty. You say guaranteed power protection for home and office electronics. It's not that bad. Okay guys, this is a TV that crack. My hand licked it by mistake guys. I was nailing up something on my hand licked it. So sorry about that. Oh, we don't go fix it anyway. It's my dad's another TV. This is the other TV. 32 inch, as all my other videos say it. This is just my garbage bin right down there guys. And here this where my CDs are. My best computer secret book where I read off the entire of it guys. The entire of my best kept computer secret book. The entire of it I read off and done. See guys, I've controlled some mashups, some working, some not working, I don't know. There's a control in here, I hardly know to set it up guys. See it here, this big one, but my big finger is on. It's hard to set up. My graphics card box there guys. And that little, this little something is for the controller. Wireless. So there guys, my old monitor, what I usually use first time, what I'm not using it no more. And there's the card that everything plug into. Basically guys, I just watching play your PlayStation for on Android. I'm just watching that on YouTube right now guys. That I see over channel I am on is copper versus glass. I am on. I'll show you guys. See there guys, copper versus glass channel I am on. This is my internet powering up guys. Guys, this is the secure lock pin. I mean, say nobody don't use my Wi-Fi when I am gone. More than my dad or me or my family them or my friends, whether down here or overseas. This one is the Wi-Fi. This one is the long line for the computer down here, so for this computer. This one, and this one is for my phone. So I'm pointing on the phone right there guys. There's a couple DVD where I have to burn more shows on. There's something. Basically guys, there's where I know the window look dirty for now guys, but there's where I sit down. I have to wash it anyway. The things them dirty. So there's it guys. So I'll see you guys later and I'll catch you guys on the flip side. So bye guys.